Cece older.
Yeah. You're doing a good
Cece's
job.
holding it.
Also,
Good job.
See how buttons on his shirt?
also, kiss, kissing it.
You gave him a nice kiss.
Papa care.
Papa. She's making everybody
Papa
take care of her.
carrying. You want to carry him, Papa?
Sure. Oh.
Ow.
Is that the baby that was in Mama's tummy?
Just point like this. Go eyes.
Yeah, no touching his
touch,
face,
darling,
baby.
just-
No.
No touch.
You can touch his toesies. You can touch his toes.
You want to do little piggies?
Piggy monster.
Easy, easy though.
Piggy. Oh.
Stop.
Wee.
Piggy. Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Good cheese, lovey. Good job.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese, everybody. Release.
Oh, yeah, don't touch him. Just point. Just go nose. Don't actually touch it.
Like his nose.
I.
Eyes.
Right. That's
Ow.
good. No. He's good.
Where's his tummy?
When's my turn to hold Nick?
Oh, anytime. Should we go get Papa Nick?
Lisa,
Don't
can-
touch. Don't touch. Don't
Lisa,
touch.
Let's get
Lisa,
Papa Nick.
can I hold Nick?
Oh, you did such a good job holding
Yay,
him.
Lisi.
Yay.
Yay,
Oh, you're so
Lisi.